What's up, sweeties? It's Elle. If you guys have seen my last video, you guys would know that I am moving out of this beautiful room that I have made my home for almost a year and a quarter, actually. It's my first place since I moved out of my parents' house, and honestly, I'm really sad to say goodbye, especially to that big window with the best lighting ever. I'm gonna start Kondoing, tidying up my space as I prepare for the move, because I'll be honest, there's a lot of stuff that I've just hoarded, and if I really think about the year and plus that I've been in this space, I haven't used them. And I actually did the tidying up with Marie Kondo. I have the book in that shelf. Yep, I have the book right over there. I did that before I moved in here, and I feel like this past year I've just accumulated a lot of stuff, or I've just kept stuff that I actually ended up not even using and forgot that I even had. So this is what the first half of my closet looks like. I've just put a lot of stuff in here because I'm figuring out what exactly I need and what I'm going to start in terms of items and not location. The first item I'm gonna do is my clothes, and that also includes my shoes and accessories and jewelry and such. So hopefully I can start off with clothes and just go on from there. I also just realized that I'm gonna start off with clothes, but I have a full stack of laundry, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that first. While my laundry is cleaning and loading and all that good stuff, the Marie Kondo method of tidying up is organized by item and not by location. So usually people start off with clothes because that's the easiest and the most abundant item that people own. And it doesn't just include clothes in your closet, it includes clothes that you may have in storage, that you may have hanging, although that's a rented jacket, so I'm obviously not Marie Kondoing that. I have some black aprons over there. I don't think I have any clothing items in here as well that would fit in there. I know for a fact I have some in my gym bag. I think I'll also include the ones in here, even though it's mostly just fabric and sewing products I haven't gone to yet, but for the sake of the video and the fact that it is considered clothing, I want to be able to make sure that this gets included. I also have this half of my closet, which is mostly like bags, hats, purses, and a few of my art supplies behind all these hung clothes. So yeah, let's just get it over with. Let's go. Missed one spot. All right, the rest in here is like sewing and other kimono items, even though technically they are fabric. So I won't touch these until I get to that category. So this is the aftermath of all the clothing items that I actually own, not including my rented pieces. Here are the clothing items that I meant to repair. These are the clothing items that were in my closet and miscellaneous places like my gym bag. My hat collection, which honestly is pretty sad right now. My shoes and any bags that I have. This actually isn't as bad as the people you see on the Netflix series, so yay. Oh, and also including my laundry that's getting done right now, so let's do it. So far the yes pile is pretty okay. I actually am lingering on one item that's all the way on the bottom that is gonna go into my discard throwaway pile. So far my discard and throwaway pile was a bunch of old work shirts that I can no longer wear at work because we're no longer doing those promotions. I'm gonna go ahead and load the laundry because it needs to go in the dryer, but until then this pile is as it is now, and then we'll move on to the other items in the clothing category. So this is the yes pile for the shoes and the bags. I still have to get through the hats. They just happen to be up right under there. The no pile has kind of grown, but not really. Oh yeah, and definitely keeping my bread slippers. You're crazy if I don't. The laundry is done. I've already sorted out my yes, no pile, and these are also yeses. There just happen to be other parts of my clothing category, and my hats are also in this pile too. The no pile got a little bit bigger, nothing crazy significant, but it's good to have it at least out and everything organized. I know this is going to take forever, and I'm not going to go over the folding technique for KonMari, mostly just because sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't, hence why I still have the hangers. I'm gonna go ahead and put away the shoes and the bags for now. The other two bins are considered kimono. It's like sentimental items, papers, stationery, all that jazz. Marie Kondo suggests that should be done last because there is so much sentimental value and there's usually a lot of papers and stuff like that. So that's gonna be put away for a while. Gonna go ahead and pick out my hats, the ones I am not currently wearing but I'm definitely keeping for the move, and plus I have extra room. I have a couple scarves in here too that could fit in there. Guys, what was I thinking? I started this off late at night because I drank coffee at like 4. So I was very jittery and very energetic, and I just had to do something to get it all out. And now I'm crashing. It's almost midnight and I want to go to sleep. But that's the thing about KonMari, is that when you put everything out on the floor or on your bed, it's good incentive to get it done all the way, because otherwise you can't sleep. On this bed of yeses and nos and things that need to be put away. Lord, pray for me.
1 week later.